Hello guys, myself Radix again. Today's video is gonna be very brief video. Yeah guys, today I'm gonna use some advanced words instead of using common words. Okay, so I'm having 10 advanced words which might you are heard, okay, but you never ever use it in your life, isn't it? But now from now onwards, if you listen them again or might you listen it for a very first time, so yeah, please try to involve these words in your daily using common sentences to enhance the beauty of your sentences. Okay, so yeah, stay tuned till the end and yeah, be in this channel. And yeah, if you didn't do the subscribe, so subscribe it now and press the bell icon if you didn't did it yet. Stay tuned. Yeah, let's go to our video. Okay, these are some advanced words. I'm taking only 10 advanced words, not more than that, because I don't want to make this video very detailed video. It is just a brief video, isn't it? So yeah, these are some advanced stuff or advanced words you can use instead of using common words. Okay, so I'm having the list of some common words and then we shall try some new words. Okay, so yeah, our first common word is speak. Okay, speak. Instead of speaking, speak. Okay, instead of this word speak, you can use utter. Okay, you can use utter, like please utter something means please speak something. The meaning of utter is speak. Okay, both are similar. These are the synonyms, isn't it? These are the synonyms. Like if I said to Rohan is a man, I am saying to that one that please speak, Rohan speak. So I can say Rohan utter, it's mean speak. Okay, means both are same. Next is unpleasant. Unpleasant means very naughty, very annoying. Okay, he is a very annoying man, he is a very annoying student or this that. Okay, anything can be there. In place of that you can use nasty. Nasty, if I said in Hindi that it is dushed. Okay, it is dushed, makkar, anything you can use. Okay, so unpleasant means he is not innocent, he is not very much innocent and very much like a quiet fellow. He is a nasty fellow. Okay, nasty, you can use nasty in place of unpleasant. Third is dustbin. Now what gonna we use in this word dustbin? We are using some slang word to enhance the beauty of dustbin. Okay, my 90, I am pretty sure that 90 or 80% people saying dustbin. Okay, are you ever heard or are you ever imagined that some next or some advanced word will also use for dustbin, that is litter bin. Okay, litter means like kuda in Hindi we say. Okay, all the dust and all things, all the dirty stuff. Okay, litter means the dirty stuff and bin means that box, so it is litter bin. Okay, dustbin means litter bin. Next, fourth one is the angry. You are very angry. Okay, so if you are gonna use some advanced words instead of angry, you can use furious. Okay, furious. For example, he is very furious now. Today he is very furious means today he is very angry. Okay, you can use furious, furious, this one. Okay, fifth one is the crazy man. Crazy man. Okay, in place of crazy man you can use lunatic. Okay, lunatic, lunatic. Instead of using crazy man you can use lunatic. That I'm saying that my friend is lunatic, my friend is crazy. So you can use my friend is lunatic, he's a crazy man, that man is crazy, that is lunatic, means crazy man. Okay, next one is friend. I'm using one more, friend. Okay, instead of friend. Okay, friend, that your friend, friend, friend. Okay, instead of using your friend. Okay, instead of using friend you can use chum, chum. Okay, so you can use that one. It is also, it will enhance the beauty of your world. Sorry for the disturbance guys. Okay, so next one is, I think, Person. Okay. Next one is person. In place of person, you can use fellow. Okay. That I'm saying now, that fellow is very nasty. Nasty fellow. Idiotic fellow. So people use usually they use that person is very crazy, that person is very innocent, that person is very cute, that person is very dirty or whatever. Okay, but in place of person you can also use fellow. That is very 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 attractive word. Okay, so I'm gonna use one sentence. My class fellow is very nasty. My class fellow is very nasty. That fellow is very innocent. You can use like this. Seventh one is scary. It is scary. In place of scary, you can use spooky as well as creepy. There are two words. There are two words. The first one is spooky and the second one is creepy. You can use any one. Okay, both are very advanced and very slant as well. You can use anyone. That night was so spooky means that night was so spooky, that night was so creepy. Both are correct. You can use any one of them or both can be both can be valid. Okay, eighth one is the clothes or uniform. Clothes or uniform, you can that clothes or uniform. Instead of saying clothes or uniform, you can use attire. Attire. Okay, so your clothes are very dirty. It's some old. Let's bring our new one. Your attires are very dream, very dirty. Okay. Ninth one is open. Open. In place of open, you can use unclench. Unclench. Okay. Instead of using open, you can use unclench. That I'm saying, please open that door so I can use. Please unclench that door. The meaning of unclench is open. Okay. किसी भी चीज को open करना, खोलना. Okay. The last and the 10th one is excited. Excited. Okay. Instead of using excited, since it is the oldest one, I think so, you can use thrilled. Thrilled. Thrilled means very much excited. Okay. So let me tell you a sentence. I am very thrilled to visit the Paris means I am very excited to visit the Paris. Instead of using excited, you can use thrilled. This one, isn't it? So there are total 10 words. Speak, utter. You can translate unpleasant to nasty. Dustbin is a litter bin. Angry, furious. Crazy man, lunatic. Person, fellow. Scary, spooky as well as creepy. Both are correct. Okay. The clothes, attire, open, unclench, excited, thrilled. These are your 10 words which are very much nice and advanced too. It enhances the beauty of your sentences. So please use them in your sentences to enhance the beauty of your sentences. Okay. And by this, people also say that, yeah, you are the great one. Okay. So yeah, if you didn't like my channel, subscribe my channel, please did it. Or like my videos if you want. Okay. I just wanna that you will be the next guy and you will be the very much knowledgeable I want to you. Okay. So yeah, that